All right, Victor Isibor here. Welcome to another Trade with Me session. Still on the scalping method. If you haven't seen the video where I shared 3 secret strategies to get your trading game up to the next level with what I consider the best trading robot in the industry today, link in the description, then you will find that video somewhere in the pinned comment or in the description. Go and watch that video. It has a detailed step-by-step guide on 3 of the best strategies that we are using in the Utrading community. Now, the second strategy, which is the top gainer strategy, or which we can call the scalpers method, is what I want to touch on a little bit more. Okay, it's my favorite method for making quick money with this robot. All right, now as usual, you want to go to the market. All right, the market is where the magic happens. All right, now all and tap on 24-hour change twice. Now these are the top gainers, and this is the point I really want to make. All right, top gainers. Now, when you are doing the scalpers method, you need to work on your mindset. A lot of things in trading has to do with the psychology of the trader. Okay, it has to do with the mindset of the trader. All right, that's why they say you need to develop your own strategy. Now, let me give you a sneak peek of my strategy when I'm doing the top gainers method and I'm scalping. A scalper is a thief. All right, a scalper wants to go into the market in the short term, take advantage of market vulnerability and do what? Get out. All right, there is no thief that goes into a house, steals what he wants to steal, then sits down to watch a TV show. Nobody does that. No thief does that. Now, these are the top gainer coins. Now, for CKT, which is top on the market, and for your information, not all of these coins are tradable on futures with Binance. All right, I have Binance bound to my Utrading account, and I know that some of these coins are not listed for futures trading on Binance. All right, but for the first coin, CTK, like I said in the other video, it is the top of the list, but we don't know whether it is going to start declining because I see it has reached its peak. And that's why it's important to do what I am doing right now. Whatever coin you want to trade, be it the first coin. So let us focus on the first coin. 13.53%. It was 13.92 when I started talking. Now it's 13.53. It has gone back up to 13.55. All right, it has gone down to 13.35. So this is a coin on the decline. All right, if we had entered at 13.90 something at the peak, the robot would have opened a long position for us because up until that point it was longing. All right, the moment you now open that position, it became short, and that is why it would seem as if the robot is trading against the market. Because the robot is going to take the position the coin is taking as at when you open the trade. But market can retrace and you will find yourself in a deficit. And that's the tricky thing with the top coin. You don't know if it's a coin that has reached its peak and the next direction is down. Okay, you might just enter the trade while it's longing. Then 2 seconds later, there's a retracement and your account is in deficit. All right. So I want to look at IOTX and see what it's doing. All right, IOTX, and see what IOTX is doing. It's at 12.14 right now. All right, 12.14. So we're going to see what it's doing. Does it want to go up? It's going up. 12.19. One more move upward, then I'm convinced it is going up. Probably trying to get to where CTK is at 13. All right, I'm still observing. 12.27. I initiate the trade. Scroll all the way down to DCA futures. and select the highest leverage of 20. All right, reduce the max orders to 1, leave it on single. All right, let me put $5 in this trade. 5 times 20 is 100, so I need to have 100 in this contract. All right, okay, so what I'm gonna do is add 0 there, 59, put 2000 there, 88, put 2400 there, 2350 there, 103. Okay, yeah, it's still something close to the 100 we're looking for. And I scroll all the way down. My take profit is okay, below 1 as usual. Then I click on launch. This is the scalping method. All right, and I'm going to take it slowly so that you will understand what I just did there. All right, so this is the IOTX trade. All right, it's the IOTX trade. Okay, I have some other trades, but the trade we just initiated is the IOTX trade. All right, because I'm explaining in this video, you see that my reaction time was slower. All right, it was slower, my reaction time, because I had to be putting up the indicator arrows from my screen recorder and circling things up for you to see what was happening. If I wasn't doing all that, I would have been faster and I would have caught the pump earlier. Okay, but anyways, that is how you set a trade very quickly in the market. All right, so in my next trade, so I'm going back to the market now, I'm going to be faster. All right, now I do not know if Binance is trading any of these top 5 coins. Okay, I do not know which one they have available for futures, but I'm gonna observe. Let me test if Lista is let me test if ENA is available. Okay, ENA is available for trade on futures. So I'm looking at ENA. Let me see what direction. It's a top gainer coin, 11.64%. Let me see if it's going up at the moment or the next direction is down. I just want to watch, see the next move it's gonna make. From that 11.64, it could just go down to 11.00 or 11.95. It's pumping. Okay. Let me try and grab the pump. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to select the highest leverage, 50x. All right. Reduce max orders to 1. Leave it on single. 2 times. No, let me do 5 times 50, 250. Okay. I want to have 250 where you have 5 there. My contract. All right. Okay. 1,000 there. Okay. Let me go with 900. 250. 263. Not bad. That means I'm trading a little above $5. I scroll all the way down. My take profit is 0.95. It's good. I'm launching. All right. So my next trade, I'm going to be slower. I'm not going to launch it. The scalping method is a time-based method. That's why, this is a live trade. I rushed it because I don't want to lose steam. I don't want to lose momentum with the coin that I'm trading. Okay. So the tutorial is going to be on this next one where I'm not in a rush. I might not launch the trade. I'm just going to show you step by step how it's done. Let me see if Lista is available for trade on Binance. It's not. I'm going to try another top gainer coin. NTRN is not available for trades on Binance. That's why a lot of people look for other exchanges to use. But further down is FTM. Let me see if FTM is available before I start my analysis of FTM. Let me see if it's available for us to jump on it. Oh, wow. It's available on Binance. If it's not available on Binance, those who are using other exchanges can always grab these coins. Now let's analyze FTM from a scalper's point of view. 7.67. So we're going to observe and see what FTM is trying to do. 7.67%. We want to know. Okay, we want to know. We don't want to be caught on a trade. We don't want to enter a top gainer coin that was going up. We initiate a trade. The robot see it was going up, opens a long position, and few seconds later it's going down. We want to ascertain the direction of this coin, see what it's trying to do. 767 is still stuck there, more like a sideways kind of thing. This is the situation where you see when you open a trade, the trade is going to show waiting directions, awaiting directions. Okay, the artificial intelligence of the Utrading bot is top notch, but if you have a little knowledge of the market, you can help to maximize the bot even further. All right, FTM is staying flat. All right, you see the next move it made from 767 is down to 755. Let it make one more move, then you will know whether this is a bearish coin or if it is going to be bullish. If it is going to be bullish, it would have been a very good coin to trade, because you see it has potential to still go further, because the highest coin on the list is about 5% higher than it. Okay, so if we take CTK as the cap, FTM still has 5% movement to make. Okay, it's going back up again. Now it's back to 763. It was down from 767 to 753, and it's back to 763 right now. One more move. Now it's down to 761 again. You see, up to 762 right now. You see, this is a coin that is not giving us a clear indication where it is going. All right. As we're watching it, let us also watch ARB. 584, 762, 584, 762, 584. You don't want to miss a pump. You see, ARB has jumped to 6.0. Okay, I'm going to jump on it. Okay. Oh, ARB is not available for trade on futures. You see how frustrating it could be? That coin was going to print a lot of money. Okay, now let's see whether MKR is available. MKR is available, then we're going to observe that one. So guys, when you're binding your API, okay, you gotta take note of the fact that not all coins are available for trade on futures. You see them delisting a lot of them. So from 566, okay, MKR dropped. MKR is here. 554. You see, 566 from 554 to 566 is actually pumping. All right, I'm not gonna wait for the next move. Let's see if we can catch this wave. Like I said, go for the highest leverage. When you go for the highest leverage, reduce your max orders to 1. You don't want more than 1 order, because you're going to the market to steal. You leave your parameter on single. I'm wasting time already, but I gotta explain to you guys. Then you scroll up. All right, you have to multiply this leverage by your intended capital. What capital do you want to put into this trade? Let's say $3. 3 times the leverage 50, it is 150. Then you want to see 150 in this contract. By adjusting the initial position, you will get that in your contract. We want to see 150 there. All right, so let me add 0 to the 40. You have 63. Let me increase that to 90. Okay, 95. You see, beautiful. We're looking for 150, but this is the closest thing we could get to it. 151. Nothing else to do. Take profit 0.68. Typically I like it below 1, so it's perfect. Then I launch. So hopefully I'm expecting MKR, okay, to keep riding, okay, to keep going up till probably it gets to the position where we have CTK right now. All right, so that's the mentality of a scalper. You have the mentality of a thief, and so this method I'm showing you is a method that enables you to make money on a daily basis from the markets. Okay, quick money. You want to buy fuel, you want to order food for breakfast, you want to order lunch. Quick money. You want to pay electricity bill. Quick money from little capital. Okay, so you want to sign up for Utrading with the link in the description of this video. Join the community where we shapen and sharpen the mindset of the modern day trader using artificial intelligence to trade. Okay, artificial intelligence is meant to handle all the trades by itself, yeah, but when you give it a superior command that is tailor-made based on the current market conditions, you are going to make more money. Okay, everybody drives automatic transmission cars, but some people still drive better than others because there's always the human factor, irrespective of the algorithm you're using. My name is Victor Isibor. I just wanted to share a few thoughts about my strategy when it comes to using artificial intelligence to trade. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, it's bye-bye.